Hey, in this video, we are going to learn how to activate your ad account inside a business account. If you have followed my previous video, of course, you understand the whole process of setting up your business account and understanding all the navigation buttons on the left-hand side. If you want to create an ad account, because you can only advertise using Facebook Business Manager if you have got an ad account inside it. By clicking on the ad account navigation button inside accounts tab, it takes me to this page where I need to add an ad account. Clicking on this drop down, it gives me three options. Now you need to understand this. If I want to get an access to an existing ad account, I'll be advised to click on this second button. It says your business needs to use this ad account on behalf of another business. For example, you work for an agency and the ad account belongs to a client. This ad account will still belong to its current owner. Only you are given a limited time access to use their ad account. The first one is add an ad account. Your business will control campaigns and billing for this ad account. Claiming an ad account moves it inside the business manager. It means that you already have another ad account and you want to have this inside a new business. And the third is create a new ad account. I'm going to click on create a new ad account and I'm going to give this ad account a name here. So the name is WorkJust Biz Ad Account. Location and currency is already populated. I'm going to use it. This ad account will be used for my business, WorkJust.biz. You see, these are the options you need to pay close attention to. If I want to use it for my business manager, I've got to select my business. But if I want to add this ad account to another business or a client, then of course I need to select the other option. So I'm going to select the first one. I'm going to click on create button. This should show me more options, for example, giving access and all that stuff. So here I'm fine with all the information. Instead, all I want to do is I want to give full permissions to both accounts here. By selecting both accounts that control my Facebook Business Manager account, I'm giving them absolute control here. The next thing is you need to add a payment info. I will teach you how to add payment info in the next video.